video is coming from a long time, like I haven't posted for a long time, but yeah. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing flags on the 3x3 Rubik Cube. I'm going to continue that series, and in today's video we are going to be doing the D, E and F flags in the 3x3. Also, I'm just going to do how to get those how to get the flags. The like the reverse algorithms will be in the description below. Okay, so now I'm gonna go start with the flags, starting with the D.